Hello, it's Dr. Inkwell from Booze Freaks. I don't want you to drink more, I want you to drink well. Today we're making a French 75 variation, which I like to soften and call a flower 75. Imagine a big cannon that shoots flowers. Pachoo, pachoo, pachoo. For a flower 75, you'll need vodka, or for bonus points, you can make a lavender-infused vodka, lemon juice, Saint Germain, and champagne. Doodle-doo, doodle-doo. How do you make lavender vodka? You'll need vodka, some fresh lavender flowers, and a little bit of bison grass. If you have access to Zubrovka vodka, that's also what bison grass is, but it's really powerful in terms of that flavor. I like making this in really small batches so that it's not sitting around for a long time. I'm going to just make 4 ounces of lavender vodka. First, we'll need about a tablespoon of lavender flowers in a jar. There you go. And we'll need a very tiny amount of sweetgrass. In fact, I have one little 3-inch segment, maybe 4-inch segment here. That's great. I'm going to just break it into a couple pieces and drop it in. And then 4 ounces of vodka. Voila. Put your lid on and give it a little stir, a little shake. Make sure it all gets integrated. When you're using fresh ingredients in an infusion, especially something floral, which can infuse very quickly, you don't want to leave this for too long. So what I would do is just keep an eye on this and taste it every hour or so. This is generally going to take, especially this small infusion, 1 to 4 hours, and then it's done. So you can actually do this the morning of the day you might have this drink. When you're done, you just need to strain it out and you can put it back in the jar. Now to the cocktail. You'll need 1 ounce of vodka, or lavender-infused vodka if you go that way, 1/2 ounce of lemon juice, and 3/4 ounce of Saint Germain. Add some ice. Shake vigorously. And then fine strain into a champagne flute and top off with champagne. As with the regular French 75, you'll need a lemon twist as a garnish. Lemon oil over the top is great. And then you can twist it up a little flower. Voila, enjoy. Oh, all that flowery subtlety really makes this a great springtime cocktail and makes me wonder how long we'll be sheltering in place. After you made the vodka from the grass outside, you just pour it in the glass till you hit the optimist mark, and then you feel good about the future.